How to see liked videos on YouTube. Have you ever wondered about knowing all the videos you've liked on YouTube? I often like videos that I enjoy and find useful so I can watch them again later. Stay until the end of the video and find out where you can see a playlist of your liked videos. Let's start by opening the YouTube app. Access your YouTube account by tapping on the U icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll down to the playlist section where your liked videos are located. Tap on the liked videos playlist and it will show you all the videos and shorts you've liked. Now, I'll go back up and show you that you can separately view liked videos and shorts. If you want to see only videos, select the videos option, and if you're interested in liked shorts, choose the shorts option. If you want to see all videos, there's the all option. Please like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorials.